Hey, what's up everybody? Gonna get out for a couple hours steelhead fishing. Kind of cold and rainy, 33, 34 degrees and a steady light rain. See if I get a fish. I got a couple hours of fish. I got to finish my Christmas shopping today, so hopefully I get one. Fish a little closer to the house. A creek I haven't fished yet this year. Give it a shot, see if I get it. All right. 4 cars here. So I'll fish it. If there's 5 or 6, I might look elsewhere, but give it a shot. Wow, creek is super, super low and clear. Last weekend it was blowing out chocolate milk. Took a look at it, but I didn't fish it. Alright, here's what I'm using for bait today. I got mainly 5-egg salmon egg sacks. Alright, starting off. There's a fish. That was a fish. That was a fish. First cast. There's a fish. That was a fish. Alright, across the other side. I think I can get a better drag-free drift on the other side. Freezing rain coming down. Hopefully the camera ain't too messed up. Alright, across the creek. Tried it from the other side. I had the bobber pop once, but no other hits. I missed my chance. Well, I moved up the creek and I tried a second spot for a while. Nothing. Roll the film. Right on cue. Here it come. Big Daddy Steely. Right on cue. Come on. I worked the long deep hole for a while. Nothing. Maybe not. Well, I worked my way up the creek. Tried a few more spots. Still no bites. Starting to get a little bit discouraged. Alright. About as far as I'm going. Still looking for my first fish. Been a grind. For me, I saw a fish being caught, but not for me. I missed my shot. Well, I worked over the deep ledge hole for quite a while. Not a single bite. One last spot to try before I get out of here, man. My hands are cold. I'm soaked. It's raining. 34 degrees. Was mid-40s yesterday. 60s the day before that. Fish really just shutting off. Last chance. I seen a few guys get a few fish, but nothing so far for me. Wait. Oh, that wasn't a fish. Fish on. Fish on. All right. Oh, wow. Not much of a fight. I expect a little more than that from you. All right. No skunking if I get him in. First fish today. Oh, really not much of a fight, man. I'm kind of disappointed, but hey, fish is a fish. I'll take anything. All right. That's a decent one. Just didn't really want to fight much. All right. Come on in here. Come on in here. All right. That's a nice fish. Beauty. Decent fish. Yeah, that's a decent fish. All right, man. Nice one. Nice big hen. All right. See ya. There she goes. And this water's cold. My hands are cold. It's raining. It's cold. It's 34 degrees and it's raining. I'm frozen. Second hookup. See if this one fight a little better. I want to go home. My hands are frozen. Look how red they are. Come on in here. This one fighting a little better than the last one. First one was on a white. This one is on a pink sack. Now this one's fighting a lot better. A lot better fight. I think this one a little smaller too, but he had a better fight. Oh man, I knew I could bang out a fish or two. On the way up there was a couple guys fishing here. I seen them land one, and I saw 3 guys that said they were fishing here earlier. They had 3 on a stringer. So I don't know if there'd be much left, but hey, they left 2 for me. And I'm letting my fish go. Come on in here. All right. All right. All right. That's a long, skinny buck, man. He's long, but he's skinny. He's long, but thin. On the pink. Look like he ready. He ready. Yeah. He ready. All right. I got 2. Give it a few more minutes. I gotta get him. I gotta finish my Christmas shopping, but my hands are frozen anyhow. Wait, there's a fish. There's a fish. Bobber down. Little dude. Little dude. Nah, I can't run it on a little dude, man. Heck, bobber down. Bobber down. Second one was a adult male. Kind of thin. Now this one, this is a little jack. Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm doing the old spinning reel drag technique, where I got about 3 feet a split shot before my hook, and I'm running about 7 feet a leader and 4 foot of water is dragging the bottom. They grab it that way too. It's not as effective as working the center pin, but in a pinch it'll work. Almost tempted to take the float off and bottom bounce, but fish on. It's got a little tiny jack. My 4th hookup now. That's a better fish. That's a better fish. That's a better fish. Whoa! He running in the shallows. Whoa! I don't even know if this is going to even come out on the film with all this rain falling on the lens. Trying to wipe it off. Oh yeah, look at that. Whoa, whoa! I got a little bit of foliage. Ah, he's off. Let's see if I get this fish in. Whoa! Whoa, get over here. Whoa, that's a nice fish. Oh, he's all alligator rolled up. Number 4. No, not yet. He said not yet. He said not yet, man. That's a good one. Oh man, I'm gonna catch the death of me with pneumonia. I'm soaked. I'm cold, but I can't leave. I'm supposed to be leaving. All right. Nice big buck. I don't even know if my camera's wet or dry. My glasses are. I can't see. I don't know if they're. Nice buck. Nice big buck too. Thank you, Mr. Steelhead. All right. Hold still, hold still. Nice big buck. Nice big buck here. Nice one. You ready? I'm ready when you are. Nice big buck. See ya. See ya. Better get going. A few more drifts. You know I can't leave when I started getting fish, man. It's hard to leave when you're getting fish. Time to go, man. The water getting real dirty now. Only the shallow water right next to me is remotely fishable. Wait a minute. Is that a fish? All that runoff is mud. Probably be filthy tomorrow, but it was good enough today. All right, man, time to call it. Gotta go and finish my Christmas shopping. Last weekend before Christmas. Plus the water's getting dirty from the rain. A lot of mud running off. 5 bites here. Hooked and landed 4, so went 4 for 4, missed another bite, so I can't complain. No skunking. All right, man. Happy holidays, everyone, and we'll see you. Oh, man. Anytime I can get out and catch at least one nice fish, it's a good day. Don't like getting skunked. Oh, it's a beautiful stream. I want to trip and take a spill. Wouldn't be the first time I done that this year. The other side's way dirtier. Pretty brown. When you trip over the first rock and the second one gets you, you start to break dancing. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. That's pretty muddy now. Crystal clear when I got here.